Okay, thanks for joining everybody. Quick video here on how I'm cleaning my windows, especially the outside. This is the east side of the house and it's morning, so the sun comes right in these windows here. This is the door wall and the deck I'm on. Some more windows down there for the kitchen, and then we've got some behind me as well. So I already did the front of the house. I wanted to show you what my method is and what products I'm using, etc. I'm not a professional window cleaner, of course. I don't care. I'm just going to do a best job what works best for me. Of course, I'm not going to invest in high-end tools and high-end squeegees, things like that. Just something simple to clean the windows and make it look a lot better. Try to do this once a year. Springtime's always the best, especially after the harsh winters, snow, ice, wind, all that crap, and all those heavy rains. So I've got my bucket behind me here, and that's going to be used like warm water and dish soap. You can use vinegar as well if you don't have a good dish soap. Dawn dish soap works well. This is Meyer's brand, yeah, Mrs. Meyer's. These products work great. We use these for a lot of different cleaners, and the dish soap is good too. So, like this stuff. Gets real sudsy. I don't think I put enough suds in here this time. I think I put too much water in it, but whatever. I don't care. It is what it is. So, squeegees. So I've had this one. This is a 12-inch squeegee I had for quite a while. It's just been sitting around. And you want to make sure this is clean before you start using it. So I use an alcohol prep pad. You can use just rubbing alcohol and a cotton swab to clean it off. I already cleaned it, but you just kind of go over it real good both sides. Otherwise it can leave streaks and you want a clean tool. So again, not the highest end of squeegees, but it's cheap, Unger brand. And I'm using the Unger brand as well from Home Depot, the combination. This is a 10-inch. This is a 12-inch. Obviously different size windows, different size squeegees are gonna work well too. So got this from Home Depot for about, I think it was about 12, 13 bucks, something like that. But this is a 10-inch squeegee attached to the scrub brush. Scrub brush works great. I don't like using the combination because it's just awkward, and then as you're cleaning it, you're getting soap suds everywhere. So I said this isn't going to be effective. So I just use it for the scrub brush, okay? And then I'll show you how I do it in my process. So you want to soak it in real good, get it real sudsy. You can use, like I said, vinegar, but get it real sudsy. You're going to go up and down both directions. Up and down. I don't think I put as much suds in there, or soapy suds, whatever, but it's fine. And then I also had a microfiber towel to wipe around the edges when I'm done. So I'll show you my process. I've seen some different videos. Pretty simple. We're gonna start here in the middle, work your way up to the first corner on the top left. Go across to the corner and make sure it's exactly perpendicular, I should say, yeah, perpendicular, and make a 45-degree angle at the very corner. Work down, start with an S pattern. Just gonna keep going down. Just like that. So you get to the bottom, and then you finish on that corner there. So, pretty simple. Got my towel here just to go along the edges. Few spots I missed, no big deal. Use your microfiber towel, any drips or anything like that. So that's how it works, and it's pretty simple. It goes pretty quickly too. So especially for a first floor, you don't need ladders or anything like that. So that's my process. Hope you found this useful and helpful, and be sure to like and subscribe and comment below. See you guys in the next video.